Hello and welcome to another lesson on place value. Today we're going to be working on a term and a concept called decimals. Let's write down a whole number right now. 24. Now 24 is a whole number made up of 2 tens and 4 units. Before that number came to being, to the right of 24 we had parts of that number. At the moment, we do not have parts of that number. When we have parts of a number, we call this decimals and decimal places. This was always a concept that I found difficult to understand, but when I was in school, I remember my father teaching it to me in a very simple way that we use every day. As you can see, I have 2 hundreds, 5 tens and 4 units. I have €254. Now, in order to get that €254, I had to start from the bottom. At the moment, we see 0 cents here. Let's add a few cent coins. If you can recall from our maths money lessons, we talked about how 10 multiplied by 10 cent coins equals €1. This is the exact same when it comes to decimals. For example, now we must include the total money that we have. We still have to include the following cents. 1 cent, and we have 7 10 cents. Sometimes we can call these numbers 7 tenths and 1 100ths. The reason we call them 7 tenths and 1 100ths is that if you have 10 out of 10, this will be added to our units place. And if we have 100 out of 100 cents, this will also be added to our one spot. This is also applicable to numbers that are not calculating money, but are calculating other measures and other addition and subtraction sums. Let's now look into this further. Now, as you can see, we have a brand new number. Let's add a line going down the middle for now to separate our whole number from our cents or from our decimals. It is the same thing. We have €122. Let's remove this now. Now, let's calculate our decimals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 and 11. As you can see, we're going to now change our 10 tenths into a whole number. We can only do this because we got 10 cents. We had 1 left over. Let's bring over our 1. Our new number is 123.15. 0 units, 0.64. In order to make units, we're going to add to this number. We may have a remainder as a decimal. Let's add 0.60. As you can see, I did not include my 0 because there's automatically a 0 here. Therefore, we know that that is just 0.60. Let's go. 4 plus 0 is 4. 6 plus 6 is 12. We add our decimal point. Let's bring over our 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. We now have 1.24. This can also be written as 1 whole number and 24 parts of 100. In this case, if we get 100 parts over 100 parts, in other words, if we can get 100 parts of 100, that will equal 1 unit. Let's now subtract decimals. 7.21. We're going to take away 2.10. 1 take away 0 is 1. 2 take away 1 is 1. And 7 take away 2 is 5. Our number now is 5.11. We can also regroup with decimals. Again, just remember 7 parts of 10. In other words, 70 parts of 100, because this is a 70, and 5 parts of 100. Let's take away. 5 take away 4 is 1. 7 take away 9 will not work. I'm going to split up my whole number make it a 7, bring over a unit. Now we have 1.7. Take away 9. Our answer is 8. Let's sort out our units. 7 take away 3 is 4. Our answer is 4.81.